Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
Draw a line of 6 centimeter. Okay. We are going to split this side into half. So mark a point at 3. Then draw a line. Okay. Draw a line next to it. Like this side and this side also. Okay. So here, mark a point at 2 cm. Draw a line like this. This is 6 centimeters, so mark a point at 5 centimeters. Then mark a point at 1 centimeter. Then draw a line connecting these two. Okay. Okay. Let this be a point. Okay. From here, draw a slanting line. Okay. Like this. So if this is the center of this line, from here to here, if this is the center, draw a line till this point. So it should be a little away from the center towards this point. Okay. So draw from this point, draw a line connecting this point. Okay. So if this is the line, mark the center of this line. Then, and if this is the line, mark the center of this one. Draw a slanting line here. Okay. And then from here, from this point, connect this one. Okay. Connect this line. Okay. That's it. So again, do this procedure this side also. Here the butterfly head would be present. And then till here the butterfly's body. Okay. So you got the shape, right? Let this be a straight line. And from here, curve it down to this point. Okay. The point at the middle of this one. Okay. So connect this one till here. From here till here. Okay. Draw a curve like this. Should start from this point and connect till here, this point, and then extend this curve to this curve. Okay. Done. Now from here you have to extend this curve till here. Okay. And then extend this one till here. Similarly, if you make this as a circle, and then this is a small cylinder, and then this one, extend this one. Okay. See, we got the butterfly shape. Okay. And then this one would be the eyes. Okay. And then from here the antenna. Let's erase all these lines. Okay. Let's add some details. Okay. From here till here, curve, small curve like this. Then from here till here. And for the top wings, like this.
That's it. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your drawings with me. You can use my WhatsApp business number. I would love to see your drawings. And wait, there's a bonus for you. I would be sharing you my Facebook group's link. It is a private group. I'm sharing my tips and tricks on how to draw and answering your questions as well. So if you're very much interested, you can accept the invite. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon to get notified about my videos. And if you want to check out my artworks, you can search for Entice Art Studio in Instagram. Take care. Happy drawing. Bye.